Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. Today I received 4 packages. I actually went to my mailbox on Saturday night and there were 4 packages in there in my mailbox, and I'm super excited in just receiving these. I mean, this is from Indiana. This is from South Yorkshire, England. This is from Washington. And this is from El Paso, Texas. I just thank you guys so much. I mean, I'm like overwhelmed with the response of this. I know if you sent me some last week, there are still some that I need to pick up, so don't worry. These were the only ones that were in my mailbox, okay? So please don't worry. I will get them, okay? I will pick them up. I'm going to start with this one. Thank you again, you guys. I mean, I get like really emotional because this really means a lot to me. So I thought I'd make videos of them because you guys are so awesome. So this one is from Olivia in Washington. And again, this is for my Granny Square project. If you guys want to know what that is, I will post a link below. But I just thought it would be a fun idea for whoever wants to send me a Granny Square. And I'm making a blanket out of them. So I'm opening up the packages right now. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. And then there's a note. Look at how I love that color. I'm going to start crying, you guys. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Olivia in Washington. That is so gorgeous. I love the colors. Thank you, hun. Thank you. And I'm not reading the notes. I will read the notes later because I feel like the notes are special. Okay, you guys, hold on one second. This gorgeous Granny Square is from a little girl named Olivia. Olivia is 12 years old, and this is her first ever Granny Square. Oh my God, Olivia. It is so beautiful, honey. I have a daughter and she's 13 years old. And you are so sweet. And I'm going to start crying because it's so sweet. Thank you so much, honey. I'm so glad you like my channel. And she's just telling me about her. She's so sweet. Olivia, honey, thank you so much. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's going to be part of my blanket. And I'm getting emotional, you guys. Thank you so much, Olivia. You are so sweet. So here we go. I'm sorry. This one is from Leilonni in El Paso, Texas. And this, I mean, what is in here? My goodness. Is this like more than one, I think? Oh my God. Leilonni. Are you kidding me? Leilonni in El Paso, Texas. What? Look at how beautiful those are. I am overwhelmed. Wow. Look at how gorgeous those colors are. Oh my God. Leilonni, honey, thank you so much. Look at how beautiful these are. This is from Leilonni in Texas. Thank you so much, honey. Thank you. I mean, that's the only thing I can say is thank you, and thank you everyone for watching my channel. I mean, you guys are so awesome. This is from Paula. Paula in South Yorkshire, England. That is absolutely insane. England? Are you kidding me? Wow. I don't want to cut into anything. I know there's a box in here, hun. I know there's several things in here, but I'm just getting the crochet stuff out. Oh my God, what is this? She sent me treats. Oh, hun. Wow. I'll read your card later, Paula. You are so sweet. She sent me chocolates, you guys. Look at this. Paula, thank you so much, honey. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. So this is, first of all, gorgeous tissue paper. Oh, how, oh, look at that. Okay, Paula, you need to email me and show me how you did this. I think I can figure it out, but I have never, it looks like a sun. And you guys, it smells like chocolate. It smells delicious. Paula, thank you so much. Look at how beautiful that is. It's a sun. That is so beautiful. I have never seen a granny square like that before. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. That is gorgeous. Is it this side or this side? I like this side. Is this side the front? I think this, no, this is the front. Paula, let me know which, I think this is the front. This is the front post double, triple crochet. I mean, look at how stunning that is. That is so beautiful. Paula from South Yorkshire, England. You are amazing, honey. Thank you so, so much. There's so many things inside this bag, you guys. I don't even know what is in there, but everything smells like delicious English chocolate. And let me tell you something. The chocolate, the English chocolate, is completely different from the United States chocolate. It has more fat, so it tastes so much creamier. I don't even know what this is. You did not. She sent me a skein of yarn. Are you kidding me? Paula, please email me. You, oh my God. What is this? Are you kidding? Paula, thank you so much. Thank you. Look at how gorgeous this is. I mean, I don't even know what to say, but thank you. I appreciate you, not even for giving me things. I just appreciate you for watching my channel, you guys. I'm going to leave this as the background because I love that. I think it's so awesome. Paula, I know there's more things in my bag, honey. There's a nice note. There's also another something in there, but I will open that. Thank you, and I love this gorgeous tissue paper. I'm going to make a background in one of my bins with that. Paula, thank you so, so much. And then we're going to move on to Sherry in Salem, Indiana. Let me see, where is this? I don't want to cut into anything. So I'm just going to go up at the top here. So you guys can send me any size, any color if you want to. I'm making a blanket, a fan blanket. I'm going to cry. This one is so gorgeous. Sherry, look at how beautiful. I love this color. Wow, that is gorgeous. And it smells really nice. Sherry, you have nice perfume. You guys, look at how gorgeous this is. It's super soft. I love the color. My husband's doing yard work outside. Sorry. I'm like overwhelmed with emotion right now. I don't even know what to say except thank you, you guys. Thank you so much. I mean, just watching my channel Look at how beautiful these are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If anyone wants to send me a granny square, it can be any size, any color. My mailing address is in my About page on my YouTube channel. But thank you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't say that enough. Thank you for watching my channel. And I hope everyone, I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and we will see each other in the next video, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.